It's that time of year when we get to get all dressed up and done up and feel good. So I have come together with 10 different holiday affordable looks for you that you can wear, well, really anytime. Now, of course, your girl has more than 10 looks. So I have a nice link in that description box below that will take you to everything. All of my favorite affordable holiday looks from Amazon, including some really cute clutch purses, some comfortable high heels because those are a necessity. And I have so many different styles and options to choose from depending upon what your mood is. And for reference, I am 5'7", around 118, 120 pounds. And I also tend to have longer legs than the average 5'7" person, so I guess maybe you could say I'm slightly disproportionate. I don't know. My husband calls me mommy long legs, so keep that in mind when I'm showing you these different looks. By the way, these holiday looks will look good on anybody, no matter how tall you are, how short, petite, how large, no matter your frame, these will look good on you. How do I know that? Because I have scoured the internet and I have looked and I have found pieces that, well, I think look good on everybody. So, time to look stunning, my friend. This first dress, oh my word, I kept seeing this on the internet. I'm like, I don't know if that will look good on me. And then finally I was like, okay, let's just pull the trigger because you love it so much. So down on the bottom, there's sparkles. It's sort of like feathers, but they're not really feathers. And by the way, I've tried this dress on and off for 5 times maybe, and everything has stayed intact with these dresses. I know a lot of dresses with like fringe and feather looking things, they'll be all over the floor by the end of the night, and who wants to like your dress basically fall apart? No, I have not had that issue whatsoever. I also think that the length is perfect. It is not too short. You know, I don't want my booty cheeks hanging out. I mean, come on, I have 4 children here. I'm sure there's a time and place for all of that, but I need to be comfortable and just like not worry about things hanging out, especially having long legs. Now here's the part I was a little bit concerned about. It has a deep V-neck, but have no fear, my friend. I have double-sided sticky tape that you can use to keep everything in place and intact should you want to. Now I think this dress looks on somebody who is flat-chested, I'm like completely flat-chested like I am, but also somebody who has a fuller chest. So it really accentuates, well, whatever you want it to. And can I just say, when I put on this dress, I just feel beautiful, gorgeous, elevated, elegant. Put a nice blazer over top for a little bit cooler, or well, just to finish off the look if you like. I'm going to my husband's work party in a couple days, so I'm still deciding which of these dresses that I'm going to wear to that party. So you have to let me know in that comments box below which one is your favorite. I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Midi Health. Have you ever experienced symptoms or some health concerns, maybe weight gain, maybe perimenopause, and you just don't feel like your primary care doctor or OBGYN is necessarily, I don't know, addressing it in the way that you'd hoped? I know that from personal experience. I'm currently seeing a physician's assistant for iron-related issues, and he's a lovely gentleman. However, I just don't quite feel that connection. He's young. I just don't really feel like he totally understands. So when I was given the opportunity to speak with a Midi clinician, I was absolutely thrilled. In fact, just a few days ago, I was very, very sick, and I was so thankful to be able to visit with her. Her name was Angela, within the comfort of my own home. Literally on my phone, we had a virtual visit. But before we get into the details, what is Midi? Midi is a virtual care clinic that offers high quality medical care to women of all stages of life. And bonus, it's covered by insurance. Midi is accepted by major insurance plans in all 50 states. If you are a female and you have a particular health concern, the Midi clinicians can absolutely help you. So how does it all work? It was super easy. All I did is go online and book my virtual visit on a time and a date that worked for me. I received text messages and prompt reminders. In fact, I almost forgot about my appointment because I was feeling so ill that particular day, and I looked at my text message like, oh my gosh, I have this visit. Something I was interested in talking about with my clinician was perimenopause, because I am going to be turning 41 in January. I wanted to be on the lookout for different symptoms and what would be some treatment options. She was so knowledgeable, Angela. She taught me so much when it comes to hormone therapy. I didn't realize there were so many options available for women as they go through perimenopause so that they can struggle less, feel more like themselves. I felt cared for, listened to, nurtured, needed, she was an excellent resource. I brought up my issues related to my iron deficiencies, and she offered to put in a referral for a hematologist. I didn't even know that they could do that. They can prescribe, they can refer, they can do almost everything that a primary care doctor could do. If you're looking for personalized, compassionate care covered by insurance, I encourage you to click the link in the description box below to schedule your first Midi visit. This next dress, I feel like a Greek goddess. Now, I have had this for a couple of years now, and it is so good. I forget how comfortable it is when I put it on. I love the length. I love the one shoulder detail. I also love the pleating and the waistband. It just hugs all the right places. So ladies, if you want to have yourself a nice big meal and dessert and you don't want to worry about being bloated, this dress is for you. Although the other one I just showed you was also very forgiving as well. The gold material feels super high end. I can't even believe the price point on this dress. And by the way, all these dresses should be on Prime. When I pulled this dress out for this video, I thought, do I still love this dress? And I put it on. I was like, yes, I love this dress. This is why I have kept it. Oftentimes doing what I do, I try on a lot of clothes, and so I donate a ton of clothes. But if I have kept it throughout the years, it's like a keeper. Like, this is something I wanted to hold on to. This next dress, black, you can never go wrong with black, although I do love some holiday color in there as well. I was interested to see how this dress would look on because, again, I scoured, looked at the models, how does it fit? This is another dress that if you want to have a nice big meal, you're feeling a little bit bloated, it's going to cover up all those areas that you maybe don't want, hanging out. I love the detail on the side with the gold. It's sort of like a buckle, and then it has fabric that just kind of, I don't know, hangs down very nicely. So when you're walking, it's flowy. It's not too much. It's just a nice touch of beauty. Over the shoulder, I think looks really nice and beautiful and elegant. But there's also a sleeve attached, if you will, and you just slide your arm in there. So when I was seeing this on the model on Amazon, I was like, well, how in the world does that actually fit? I love this, especially with a nice updo if you wear your hair half up, half down, or maybe you have a short haircut. I think the dress just speaks for itself. It's a little black dress, but more elevated and chic. This one, love this one. If you want a little bit of a warmer dress, you want to feel elevated, not as exposed, this dress is for you. Moving into this red dress with the bow sleeves. Now, I had ordered a different dress. It had a massive bow here, and I loved it. However, the bow was a little intense. So when I tried this one on, the V-neck, I thought, okay, this is the perfect size, perfect amount of bow, if you will. This dress and all of these dresses do come in multiple colors for the most part. Now, I love the detail on the front of the dress. I also love the length on it, so it's not too short, although there's a time and a place for that one. But you also are able to show some leg, show a really beautiful heel, a sparkly one, a bow one. In fact, I've ordered one pair of shoes, I have it right here, dun da da, in 3 different colors because they are so stinking comfortable. I'm typically a 7.5. Amazon told me to size up to an 8, and 8 has been fitting perfectly as well. These are so comfortable. I love the satin on them. I got them in the gold. I think the khaki, the black here. I would have kept going, but I had to hit that stop button too. And if you missed my last video, it's a winter shoe haul. So not just fancy dressy shoes, but boots, ankle boots, flats, workout tennis shoes. So I'll be sure to link that in the description box below as well. Back to this red dress. Now, again, if you're flat chested, this works just fine. But if you also have a nice chest on you, this dress would look really beautiful. When it comes to these dresses, I ordered all of them in a size small. Now, for this red one in particular, I probably could have taken it in a little bit by the arm area because, again, I'm flat chested. So that would help with some of the extra room that I have near the armpit area. And the beautiful part, all of these dresses are so affordable. So if you did want to get some alterations here or there, it's not going to run you like hundreds upon hundreds of dollars because I know oftentimes the alterations can be more than the dress depending upon where you go. The material on this red dress is really nice. It's a thicker material, so it's thicker than the black one that I just showed you, which I like. And I would say, in my personal opinion, for this red dress, if I had just a little bit more meat on my bones, I think it would have filled out the dress perfectly. But needless to say, I do really like the dress. This next dress, sort of this gold material, sort of reminds me of fall, but also reminds me of the holidays, New Year's Eve. I love the velvet material on it. I also love the scoop neck right here. It hugs all the right places. This one definitely fit like a glove, which I love. The length on it is really nice, so you could dress this up with some champagne sort of accessories. You could also go with black, which I think would look really nice and elegant. Pair this with a nice blazer or sport coat or even a sweater. You could put a sweater over top cap this or draped over your shoulders if you wanted to, and that would look lovely. I think the shape of the dress and the velvet material just speaks for itself. I love this dress. This next red dress, so gorgeous. The material is nice and thick and high quality. I love the sort of mermaid bottom, if you will. That's the best way that I can describe it. Also, the back is really pretty. It sort of scoops down in a V-neck. It comes up a little bit higher right here. I love that it covers sort of a cap sleeve on your shoulders. So it's elegant. You're covered. You're not showing it all. A beautiful updo. You can pair this with some nice accessories. You could go black. You could go gold. You can even do silver. In fact, I think silver might look best with this particular dress. It's sort of this silky, soft material. In terms of thickness, it's very similar to the red dress with the bow shoulders that I just showed you. Just looking at this dress right now, I'm like, I really love that dress. This next black dress, you may be saying, this is so similar to the one that you just showed us. I believe this was a #1 bestseller. This is a highly recommended dress on Amazon. I love the mock neck on that, especially if you have your hair in an updo or half up. I think it looks really nice, or if you have a shorter hairstyle. I love the gold detail on the hip area. It fits nicely. It's very similar material to the other black dress that I just showed you, but if you want something a little bit more covered up, I'd recommend this one rather than the first black one I showed you was off the shoulder and it had the one arm cuff. So a little bit more subdued than the first black dress, but again, super elegant. That neck right there, the mock neck, that just, I love that on dresses. This is a dress that you could wear all season long. It doesn't just have to be for the holiday. You could pair this with some nice ankle boots and some nice pointed toe boots, which I have several in my closet. I actually shared some in that shoe haul video as well. Pair it with a sweater, a nice blazer. You are good all season long. But if you want to get elegant and dressed up, this is a great party look. This next dress, a little non-traditional when it comes to holiday looks. You know, typically you have your black and your champagne and gold and red and even some greens in there. So I wanted to try something a little bit different with this navy. Now again, this is another dress, ladies, that if you want to eat your heart out, you want to have desserts and drinks and just don't want to have to worry about anything, the ruching on the dress fits perfectly. I also love the length on it. It's a nice sheer material all throughout the dress. I love the color combination. Now, what I would have done a little bit differently when I went back and analyzed and scrutinized this dress, I think I would have added like a brown gold belt, something to that effect, just to break up the dress a little bit more. But either way, the dress looks beautiful all on its own. This dress also comes in multiple colors, but I was really excited to see a little navy for the holiday season. It sort of reminds me of watercolors. It hugs your body in all the right places. So if you are larger chested, that's perfect, but you're also flat chested like myself, it's a beautiful dress. I think I was in the mood this season for longer dresses. I guess I'm in Minnesota. It's cold and snowy out right now. The idea of putting on like a short cocktail dress just is not as appealing as being covered up a little bit more. I was looking for chic and elegant, sort of Princess Kate vibes, and I think I was able to obtain that with many of these looks. You don't have to show it all and bear it all to look beautiful and elegant and put together. Sometimes, well, you know the saying goes, less is more. And I think that's so true when it comes to dresses. But sometimes you want all the glitter and the glam and the sparkle and the cocktail dresses too. Also, if this video does well and you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up because I'm considering creating a part 2 with more cocktail, sparkly type dresses. I have a whole ton in my Amazon cart that I wanted to order up, so we'll see. You let me know. Moving into this beautiful red dress. Now this is very Ralph Lauren vibes, much like the sweater that I'm wearing today. By the way, make sure you subscribe because I am going to be coming out with a Ralph Lauren video here very soon, probably in the next couple of videos. And everything was purchased on Amazon. So I'm going to show you how to get that Ralph Lauren look, but on an Amazon budget and not looking cheap and chintzy and just, you get the point. Back to this red dress. For whatever reason, it reminded me of Princess Kate. I love the gold. They're like buttons. I guess we'll call them buttons, but they're not functional buttons, both on the side of the dress and on the shoulder area. This is also that mock neck because again, that with an updo just looks so beautiful. Or if you have a shorter haircut, I think looks really nice. The nice thing about a lot of these dresses is the dresses are beautiful and simplistic in and of themselves, but where you can really take it up another notch is with your earrings, some rings, a bracelet should you want to, a cuff, a bangle, a purse, and of course some beautiful shoes. Gosh, I really like this red dress too. I'm having a really hard time deciding which one to wear in the next couple of days. The last look that I want to share with you is this sparkly skirt. This This maybe is my favorite. I don't know. The skirt's great. It fits wonderful. It's a size small. I love just the bling and the detail. It's very festive, very affordable as well. And then the satin button down. Now I love the satin button down. I've purchased it in multiple colors because it goes with so many different things. This is also something that I've had in my closet. I'm really enjoying the tone on tone color with the gold and the gold. But again, with this skirt, you could pair it with a black button down if you wanted to. I love that put together look, kind of business and party all in one. I think the length on the skirt was awesome. Not too short because again, I get a little bit nervous about that one, and it shows off the leg really nicely. You put a nice kitten heel on there. Heck, you can even wear a flat shoe if you wanted to. I like flat shoes, but they're not my go-to. I tend to like something like even just a small heel that just elongates the leg a little bit more. Again, don't get me wrong, I love flats. However, I feel like I'm walking on the floor sometimes when I'm in flats. If I do wear a flat, it usually has like a little bit of heel on the back of it. It's just my thing. Let me know if you can relate to me on that one. And that is 10 plus holiday affordable looks for you on Amazon. Make sure you click that link down below. That's where all of these dresses and accessories will be housed, plus many more beautiful holiday dresses that are timeless, that will make you look stunning, even though you already are. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Co, because every single day I share daily deals. Also, I have my exclusive broadcast channel linked down below that is on Instagram, and I do not share deals anywhere else on that broadcast channel, just with my exclusive broadcast subscribers, and it's completely free. So make sure you click that link down below as well.